Summer camps. Hello, my name is Adina Stanford, and here is my top 12 reasons to start a summer camp at your school. Reason number 1. Summer camps are the camps for children, which is we use children-centered approach. When children go to summer camp, they know it's for them and it's about them. Reason number 2. Relaxed and non-threatening atmosphere. Camps are conducted at school, but it is not school. It's more about playing game and learning, which they probably don't know. Reason number 3. Extracurricular activities, which is songs, rhymes, chants. Do you like them? Children like them as well. And summer camps are a great possibility to practice songs, rhymes, and chants, and get excitement. Reason number 4. Emphasis on real-life communication. When we come to summer camp, we talk to our children about everything. We greet each other. We communicate like we will in real life. Reason number 5. Children are plunged into the language, which is when we play game, the instructions are in English. When we talk, we do it in English. This is the environment which surrounds them in the camp. Reason number 6. We can combine learning and DIY activities, which is creating cards, posters, masks, lab books, and puppets. You can do it at camp together with your children. Reason number 6. Games are an important part of child's reality. And what is summer camp? Summer camp is playing games with children. Reason number 8. Encounter with foreign culture. For many children, when they have a volunteer, it's the first time in their life when they see a foreigner, when they see the glimpse of a foreign culture, which is the fact which brings up the citizen of the world. Reason number 9. Creating a learning environment. You extend your classroom, you go outside, and this is a new learning environment. Reason number 10. Building a rapport with students. At summer camp, a teacher is not a teacher anymore. A teacher is children's friend. Reason number 11. Both teachers and students are inspired. It's a great job, it's time-consuming, but still, after your walls are covered with posters, your shelves, the shelves of your classroom are full of DIY objects. It's a great excitement. Reason number 12. It's fun. So, don't deny yourself a pleasure. Start a camp. It's fun both for children and teachers.